Hi, let's talk about this Horizon pivot door. This pivot door is right over 6 feet wide and right under 10 feet tall. The jamb construction is our standard 5.5 inches. This door has an integrated slope threshold. That means that the exterior of the threshold is sloped down and the interior was specified by the homeowner to suit their floor covering height. As you can see, it's pre-hung so that the door arrives ready to install. There's no preparation that needs to be done to the cement or to the head of the home. The finish chosen on this door was matte black. It's a powder coating. This is our standard Horizon design, which consists typically of glass on top, glass on the bottom. In the middle, the client chose to go with white oak. The client specified that the white oak be unfinished. That means that upon arrival, they're going to remove the white oak, finish it to match another part of their project, and then reinstall it. That's a great idea because this will match seamlessly with other parts of their home. This here has, they decided to go with a brushed stainless pull. Standard is for the pull to terminate in the middle of the bottom light and the middle of the top light. This client, however, specified an 84-inch long pull so that the top is slightly higher than the middle and the bottom is slightly lower. This was their preference. What I like most about this door is that it joins 4 different elements and colors. It's black powder coating with white oak, so you have a very nice contrast here. And then you have the brushed stainless pull. It's kind of in the middle, and at a distance, the first thing you'll see is the white oak. It'll draw you to it. Then the pull, because you actually interact with this physically. And then, of course, the drama of being a huge pivot door that's unforgettable as you walk through it and you use it and you look at it.